Hello there. Today we are in the assembly line. So you see, this is our assembly line, and this one is for Australian standard camper trailer. The Explorer trailer, you see, the tire a little bit bigger than the regular one. So this one today is just after the rainy day test. You can take a look about the surface of the water is there. You may see this appearance looks quite good, different from the regular one. It's pretty nice. It's a custom exterior. And the customer using 16 inches of very big tire. This is a full size, the spare tire, the same size as the regular tire, the same size. The tool storage, 20 liters, enclosed the tool storage each side. And also there is cameras for the trailer, four sides, and the back of the car camera is this one. This, the real luggage with the cover and hydraulic design, so you can pop up very easily. So we can take a look for this in the door side. After the rainy day test, we check the inside. There's no water leakage. It's pretty nice because this is using 17 inches of big tire, and the fender here, it's a little bit bigger than the regular one. So the regular just this size, the half size of this fender. But with a bigger tire and a bigger wheel, so upgraded for bigger. And also you can see this is the camera, and this for this side is children's expandable bed. Another things we want to mention, this customer is using DZ36, the off-road coupler. This is Australian standard, pretty nice. And here you see this connector, and this one is for the back the car camera for the front car. So you will install the device that we provided for you, and this is Australian standard, the 7-pin connection for electric brake, and also the turn signal at the rear. Match the front car, 1000 jack and Anderson plug. By using the Anderson plug, it can charge in the battery while you are towing the trailer, towing at the same time. So this customer also do some upgradation inside out without the onions. So customer have its own onions. So we leave it. You may wondering what's inside look like. We can take a look here. There's no power inside, so let me just open the LED lighting system here. So this is the interior just after the rainy day test. So you guys can take a look about the shorts. And here I just have a short look. It's a very brief introduction of this. I will upload a video for a complete introduction. Well, it's complete for quantity checking inside out. Okay, so just closing like this. Closed. So let's come to this side. The window is using the double layer holo acrylic window. It's waterproof and lightweight. And there are two external lightings for his camper. External shower tent rack. And this can have a 12-volt LED lighting here. So while you are taking shower, it's pretty nice. So we just turn off the lightings there. So we just complete today's video.